7 forgotten M635CSi, locked away since 1986. One just woke up pissed off.
Like it's Cologne, and the odometer hasn't clicked past 4,000 kilometers. Yeah, you heard that right. Beep. Hey brother, it's just you and me. Windows down, coffee gone cold, talking cars like we always do. I've been chasing these sharks since dial-up internet, since I was a kid with grease under my nails and a mile deep. And last month, I found the Holy Grail. Actually, 7 of them, all E24M635CSi, all Euro spec, all parked in the same crumbling barn in northern Italy since Clinton was president. Owner passed, kids didn't care, barn got locked, time stopped. Rust looked at the zinc coating and said, nah, I'm good. I crawled under the first one with a flashlight shaking in my hand like a teenager on prom night. Factory wax, still dripping. S38 under the hood, looks like it was bolted in yesterday. Red valve cover, glowing like it's embarrassed to be this perfect. I almost cried. I'm not gonna lie. Car number 1, silver, black leather cracked just enough to tell you it's real. 286 horsepower singing through individual throttle bodies. Sweetest sound this side of Maranello, and twice the soul. I fired it up. No click, no cough, just that straight 6 bark that rattles your ribcage and makes you forgive every bad decision you ever made. I let it idle for 10 minutes just listening, like it was telling me where it's been. Next all over, black on Lotus, white. This one's meaner. Someone optioned the dogleg Gitrag and the 3.73 limited slipback in 85, like they knew one day I'd show up crying. I took it out at 3 a.m. on empty mountain roads. No plates, no regrets. 4th gear, at 7,000 revolutions per minute, and the world just bends. You don't drive this car, it possesses you. Tarmac feels like it's apologizing for existing. Then the Monaco blue one. Oh lord. 930 kilometers on the clock. 9:30. The steering wheel, plastic still sticky from the factory. I sat in it and didn't move for 20 minutes scared ID at a mile. It smells like 1985 in there, like cigarette smoke and rich leather, and that weird European plastic that never off gases. I just breathed it in until my eyes watered. There's a red one with buffalo leather, so perfect it looks wet. A bronze one wearing BBSRS wheels, someone paid more for back then than my first house. And the last 2. Shadowline, deleted badges, rumored factory lightweight parts. One still has the original Blaupunkt with the tape deck that probably only knows dire straits and tears. Here's what kills me. Nobody knew these existed. Not the registries, not the forums, not even BMW Classic. 7 sharks, parked nose to tail, waiting for the world to forget analog ever happened. And now they're awake. Values. Let's just say a roughed up M635 is $500,000 on a bad day. These clean examples already whispering 7 figures in the dark. But I'd trade every modern M car ever built for one night with the silver one. Top down, Alp screaming past. So here's my question to you. Blood still pumping 110 octane. If you found the last 7 real deal sharks sleeping under 40 years of dust, would you wake them all? Or would you lock the door again, throw away the key, and let them dream forever? Tell me in the comments which one you're stealing first. I'll be under the silver one, probably still crying. See you on the next back road. Brother, drive like they're not making tomorrow.